Pairing the MATelec smoke alarm remote control. The remote must be paired with all smoke alarms individually and is best paired after a network of smoke alarms has been set up. Press the net button to put the remote into pairing mode. A red LED will illuminate. Press the test button 3 times within 2 seconds on all subsequent smoke alarms in the installation. When paired, the 240-volt alarm will chirp and the battery alarms will illuminate green briefly. Close the network by pressing the net button. The red LED will go out. To test the network, press the button marked Test on the remote. The red LED will begin to flash and all paired alarms will enter alarm mode.